Put both red and orange lentils and split chickpeas lentils in pressure cooker and add water, salt, turmeric powder and red chili. Keep it on medium to low flame and bend the lid and give pressure for 10 minutes. You can make these lentils in pressure cooker for quick cooking. Alternatively, you can also cook in regular pot. Put off the flame and release the pressure carefully. Now, you will see both lentils are cooked. Check split chickpea lentil by pressing it with the finger. It will also be soft. Add green coriander leaves and mix with lentil. Put cooking oil and 1 tablespoon ghee or butter in a pan and keep it on medium to high flame. Now add crushed garlic, and when garlic turn golden brown, then add green chili and fry for 1 minute. Now immediately add temper to lentils. Dish out the cooked lentils. Heat 1 tablespoon ghee in a pan and add whole red chili to it. Just fry for 1 minute, then immediately pour temper to cooked lentils. Add coconut, salt, garlic, green chili, mint, coriander and 2 tablespoons of yogurt in beating jar and beat it well. Put into a bowl and add remainder yogurt and mix it with hand whisker. The sauce is ready. Keep it aside. Now we will ready salad of cucumber, onion and tomato. Cut all salad veggies in small cubes like this. If you don't have dicer like this, then you can make this salad with sharp knife. Put all vegetables in a big bowl and add lemon juice and mix it. Salad is ready. Keep it aside. Add water in a big wok and add vinegar and salt and keep it on medium to high flame. Bring it to boil, then add washed and soaked rice and stir a few times to make sure the rice and water are mixed. Cover with lid for 5 minutes. Let the water come to a rolling boil. Then reduce the heat until it maintains a gentle bubbling simmer. It's ready when tender and no longer crunchy but still a touch too firm by your liking. Set the strainer over your sink or a large bowl and strain the rice and cooked liquid. Immediately after straining, while the rice is still hot and steamy, transfer the rice back to the pot and cover with the lid. Let's stand off the heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Uncover the rice, fluff with fork and put into platter. Put cooked lentils, salad, green sauce and pickle. Serve this platter immediately. Platter is ready.